Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Samsung Galaxy S24 FE for an elderly or unexperienced person. First, I'm gonna show you how to set it up for unexperienced people. Go to Settings, then go to Accessibility, Interaction and Dexterity, and then enable assistant menu, then click on allow, and it will show this icon all the time on your screen, like that. You can change its position, of course, and whenever you click on it, it will show you these options that will make it easier to navigate your phone. They all have labels and work instead of gestures. For example, recents, home, back, screen off, and more, like notification panel or whatever you need. And now I'm gonna go to the settings for an elderly person who may have vision problems. So if you're setting it up for a person with low vision, go to settings, then accessibility, then vision enhancements. You can go to high contrast or go to enlarge display. I'm gonna set it to enlarge display, and now you can see that everything has been enlarged, and you can also enable high contrast fonts, so everything is more viewable. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.